Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I will be working on the Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2. I continue to restore this car, and fortunately is already reaching the end finally. In the last video you saw me detailing car, but as I mentioned in the description of that video, I will continue restoring cars, but you will see a little bit more of detailing, which I really enjoy. But don't worry that I'm gonna continue to restore cars. And in this Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2. So what is the problem? One of these days I was driving the car and I faced APC warning. Actually, what is APC warning? What this means? So APC means electronic power control. This is a warning, and you can have it for different reasons, because you have a few it's not computers, but these modules that communicate with each other, and this warning is a kind of weird because you can have this kind of light or this kind of warning for different reasons. If you search for this APC warning on Google, you'll find a lot of information, but for this special model there is one problem that is really common, which is my case also, but in your case could not be the same problem that I have right now. So how you can check out what is your problem? There is many people in different websites, forums, that say, oh, try this, try that. Trying is not the solution, of course. What you should do is to plug OBD connector and use a scanner or a VCDS software. But of course, you could not have that kind of tools. And I truly recommend, when you face that kind of warnings, if you have, for example, engine failures, be really careful. Scan your car, take to your mechanic. If you have a scanner, scan your car immediately. Go to a mechanic if you don't have a scanner. But if your car is just like mine, I don't have any issue in the engine, I just have the warning light. What I did was to plug the VCDS and check out what was my problem. And my problem was the brake switch. So in this video I will show you how to replace the brake switch. So let's replace the brake switch. I'm gonna show you how to. It's really easy. You can do it like this in 10 minutes, but after replace, make sure that you test and make sure that everything is working properly. So guys, let's go. So guys, once you replace the brake switch, which in my case I can show you the part number. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but I will leave it, I will have the part number for this. There is one important thing before you buy your new sensor. That is sensors that only have 2 connections and another ones have 4 connections. I'm not really sure each year and each model use each one, but it's really good to check out first and then you can buy. So check out first how many connections you have, what kind of connector you have, and then you can buy a new part, because there is different connectors or different brake switch connections. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. We continue to restoring this Volkswagen Polo, and if you are new in the channel, take a look what we have been doing in this car, and you can help me by leaving your thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. That will help a lot to continue to make this kind of videos helping people, and it's free. So guys, as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.